So, how to live in a minivan in the winter in comfort. Some people ask me to give more details about my heater install, so I put together some clips and images I had from the install. It's basically a 5 kilowatt diesel heater from eBay, I believe, for $100. I would not suggest the 5 kilowatt version for a minivan. 2 kilowatt is totally fine. 5 kilowatt is way too much. So Dodge Caravan has this floor storage where the seats go, and I decided to put it there. And to protect the carpet and my batteries, my friend suggested to make a sheet metal heat shield, and basically sheet metal enclosure with a couple legs and just holes for the inlet and exhaust. And the diesel heater will sit on top of the two support rails mounted to its original plate that comes with it. And then you can see the pipe I have made up there. That's the exhaust. And then just put it in the storage compartment, and I had to drill two 1-inch holes for the inlet and exhaust of air, and that's the only permanent damage I've done to the minivan. Drill 2-inch holes, and the heater will sit next to the 3 AGM batteries, and I changed them later to lithium, but whatever. And here's how it looks without it, with it, and here's the heater installed with a 90-degree elbow for the hot air, which goes through the other storage compartment on the floor that I never closed fully. In this video you can hear the fuel pump, but it's super quiet. Once I close the floor storage and put my fridge on top of it, I never heard the fuel pump ticking at all. One thing I would note, don't use the fuel filter that comes with it. It broke on the second day, and a lot of diesel was spilled on the carpet. So just skip the filter altogether. Here's the fuel filter still in place, and here's it broken. And change my AGMs to lithium. Much better. Totally suggest everyone use lithium. Skip AGMs altogether. And here's all complete, the hot air outlet blowing. And this was in Dumont Dunes. It wasn't that bad. It was winter, but it wasn't cold. But still, it's nice to have it running. My dog can chill inside, no problems. At night it gets to freezing temperatures, and it's perfectly comfortable to sleep. Again, 5 kilowatt is way too much. If it's like 60 outside and you want it 65 or 70, the heater on a minimum will cook the van. You have to keep the windows open. So if you're going to install in the minivan, go for the 2 kilowatt version. Again, when I'm parking, I bought these two pipes. I forgot what they're for, but I bought them in Home Depot for like $5, and I use them as extension for the exhaust, because if there's no wind, the diesel exhaust fumes gonna sit under the car and make it through the cracks inside the car, and it's gonna smell bad. So simple tubes. Whenever I'm parked for long, that's what I use. very simple setup. Fridge, microwave, water, and it's good and comfortable. So thanks for watching. Any questions, just leave in the comments, and enjoy mini van life in the winter. And click like, it's free. See you next time.